Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Cardi B just got the greatest early birthday present of all time. With just a few weeks left to go before she turns 30, the rap artist discovered that the one and only Beyoncé had sent her an incredibly sweet handwriting note, something Cardi was so grateful for. She joked that she would go to extreme measures to keep anyone else from getting their hands on it. The rapper showed off her gift from Bay in an ecstatic video posted to her Twitter account Monday, September 19, revealing that the Break My Soul vocalist had penned a personal message addressed to Cardi across the top of vinyl copy of her latest album, Renaissance. To Cardi B, Bay wrote, "Hardworking, beautiful and talented queen, thank you for always supporting me. Sending so much love to you and yours." She ended her message. "Respect, Beyoncé." "Look what Beyoncé sent me. Read it, BH." Cardi cheered, holding the vinyl up to the camera for all her Twitter followers to see. "It's so beautiful, so lovely. I'm gonna put it in a glass frame with laser beams on it. Anybody who gets Mother F King next to it is gonna get electrocuted on Mother F King's side." She added, "I just wanna say thank you so much. I feel so special." Even though Cardi's 30th birthday isn't until October 11, Bey may have already beat out the I Like It rappers, friends and family in getting her the best gift this year. Offset had already said in a recent interview that he was struggling to find a present for his wife that would outdo the Dominican Republic mansion he gave her for year 29, and now the bar is even higher thanks to Queen Bey. First off, she has everything, the Ric Flair drip rapper joked with E! News. Second off, she doesn't want anything. Third off, I'm gonna get her something because she deserves it. It's getting harder and harder. Thanks for listening and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.